In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wistia with Activecampaign. By the end, you'll have your Wistia account securely connected to Activecampaign, so contacts collected through your videos can flow directly into your email marketing and automation. First, make sure you're signed into Wistia with the right level of access. You need to be an account owner or a manager to set up integrations. If you're unsure of your role, check with your team's admin before you continue. Once you're in Wistia, head to Account Settings, then choose Integrations. This is where Wistia connects to other tools. Look for the Email section and select Activecampaign. Don't worry if the page looks slightly different in your account. The labels are consistent, and you'll see a place to enter your Activecampaign details. Now we'll grab the credentials from Activecampaign. In a new browser tab, log into your Activecampaign account. Go to Settings, then select Developer. On this page, you'll see two important items, your API URL and your API key. These are unique to your account and act like a secure bridge between the two platforms. Treat them like sensitive information. Don't share them publicly, don't paste them into screenshots, and store them somewhere secure if you need to reference them later. If these ever get regenerated in Activecampaign, the previous connection will stop working, so you'd need to reconnect in Wistia with the new key. Copy the API URL from Activecampaign, switch back to Wistia, and paste it into the API URL field. Do the same with the API key, making sure there are no extra spaces before or after what you paste. Double-check that each value is in the correct field. Mixing them up will cause the connection to fail. When everything looks good, click Connect. Wistia will verify the details and confirm the link. If you see an error, it usually means the URL or key was copied incorrectly or the key doesn't have the necessary permissions. Simply recopy both from the developer page and try again. That's it. With the connection in place, Wistia can sync contacts from your video activity into Activecampaign, where you can segment them, trigger automations, and personalize follow-ups based on engagement. Keep your API details secure and ensure that anyone managing integrations has the proper role in Wistia. If your team changes or you rotate credentials, remember to update the connection so your sync continues uninterrupted. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to integrate Wistia with Activecampaign and turn your video views into actionable marketing data.